This is our lecture number 42, the usage of the simple present tense. The first use of the simple present tense is to show the acting of the character in the play or drama. It means that we go to see the play, we go to see the drama, and when we come home, we write the paragraph. So that paragraph should be written in the simple present tense. I will give here one example, and that example is the hero comes and kills the villain. The hero comes and kills the villain. Then this simple present tense is used to narrate the cricket commentary. Means when we are looking the cricket match, then we see that commentary, or when the boys are playing the cricket match in the villages or in the cities somewhere, then those boys or those commentators narrate the cricket commentary, and that cricket commentary is narrated always in the simple present tense. Here we have taken one example. Sachin throws the ball and runs for his next purpose. Then next, the simple present tense is used to show the rule, to show the tradition, or rules, regulations, we will say. So he lives his principle. Now he lives his principle means he does not sacrifice his principle, means he is completely with his principle. That's why this is the tradition, or this is the rule of this gentleman. So he lives his principle. The next example is he plays on the ground. He plays on the ground means always he plays on the ground, and that's why this is also the rule or the tradition of this gentleman, and so he plays on the ground. The next is the simple present tense is used to show the geographical truth, that is the universal truths. It is shown for the moral values, it is shown for the scientific truths, it is shown for the geometrical truths, it is shown for the mathematical truths, it is shown for the matters created by habits. So these are the things for which this simple present tense is used. So we will see it with the examples. Man lives for his benefit. So man lives for his benefit means every man is there who lives only for his benefit. Means no man can be without his benefit, because existentialism is his principle, and that's why survival of the fittest is there, and that's why every man lives for his benefit, or every man lies for his benefit, or every man speaks lies for his benefit. These are the sentences which are the universal truth sentences, or these are the geographical truth sentences. Then next sentence is there, the sun rises in the east. This sentence is the geographical sentence. Happiness looks in others' goodness. This example is very interesting example, so we will discuss this example. Happiness looks in others' goodness means when we see others' goodness, then we are always happy, or when we help others, then we are always happy. So happiness looks in others' goodness is the example of the moral values. Then water runs always downwards. Water runs always downwards. This is the scientific truth, because water is there where we drop the water, or where we take water in our hands, and when we throw water somewhere, then that water always will go downwards. That is the religion of the water, and that's why this is the moral value. Moral value means this water cannot sacrifice its moral religion, and that's why this is the moral value showing example, or this is the scientific truth example. 5 and 5 become 10. 5 and 5 become 10. This example is the example of the mathematical truth. And Gopal eats chocolates every day. Gopal eats chocolates every day. This is the example of habit, because this Gopal has the habit, and that's why he eats always chocolates, and that's why this is also his habits. In this way we can use this simple present tense in a different way, or in the different ways. Then these are the following words, sorry, I will say the following words are there which show the simple present tense. Means the words are every day, every moment, every time, always, sometimes, often, frequently, usually, never, seldom, ever. etc. are the adverbs. These are the adverbs. These all are the adverbs, and these all adverbs always show the simple present tense. Means when we write or speak any sentence of the simple present tense, these adverbs occur there, and that's why these adverbs are very, very important in the simple present tense. Without these adverbs, no sentence of the simple present tense is possible. Here we have seen the lecture 42, it has ended, and again I will request you all that you should stay only at home. You should not go outside, because you know very well that the corona is outside waiting for you. Thank you very much.